Hi, it's Chester Tugwell at Blue Pecan Computer Training, and in this video we're going to look at how to replace blank cells with zeros and also how to hide zeros in your data. So first of all, our scenario is we have blank cells and we want to fill those blank cells with zeros. So the first step for this is to select the data that you're concerned with, then Control G brings up the Go To dialog box. You go to Special, you select Blanks, that selects all the blank cells. Now you type a 0 and that initially only appears in the active cell, and then you press Control Enter and it fills all the selected cells with a 0. So that's the first tip. Now sometimes you have zeros in the cells, but you don't want to show those zeros. You want to show those cells as blank cells. So that's different to having a blank cell that doesn't contain anything. These cells are still going to contain the 0, but you just don't want to display it. So for example, when we select the cell, you'll still be able to see the 0 in the formula bar, but you won't be able to see it in the cell at all. Now there is a way of doing this for the whole worksheet. You go to File, Options, Advanced, scroll down to the section called Display Options for this worksheet, and you have this option here, Show a 0 in cells that have 0 value. If you untick that, click on OK, then the zeros disappear on the worksheet, but they're still there in the cell. So if I did F2, there's my 0. So I'm going to get rid of that. That's a great option if you want it to apply to the whole worksheet. But if you only want it to apply to certain bits of the worksheet, you're going to have to employ a different option. So I've gone back to Advanced Display Options for this worksheet, and I'm going to retick Show a 0 in cells that have a 0 value, so they all reappear. Yeah, so say you had multiple sets of data here, and for a particular data set you don't want to show zeros. So I'm going to select that data, Control 1 to go to Format Cells, Custom, and I can keep the custom format that's already there. And then all I do is I put in a semicolon at the end. Click on OK, and all of the zeros disappear, but they are still there in the cell. Okay, so that's your two methods. That's all this video wanted to explain to you. Thanks very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe to keep up to date with all our tips and tricks. Thanks very much for listening.